Sometimes you're in the mood for red, sometimes you're in the mood for green.
Is it too much to ask for both?
I don't think so. Today we're gonna be doing both marinara and pesto, adding some special toppings. My friends, it does not get any better than that. Let's have a pizza party, shall we?
Shall we? Oh. Gross.
There are some of you purists out there that might only make your dough at home. Listen, good on ya. Well done. I'm not that guy. I am happy to go to my local grocery store, get some pre-made dough. You can also go to some pizza joints in your area that you could actually pick up their dough. Freaking fantastic, super easy. Roll it out, stretch it, however you like to do it today. I'm using a rolling pin, gonna stretch this out. Sometimes you might mess up, just own it and fix it, and then you move on. Love it. So we've got our dough down. Now this is, Nate had questions. He's like, you're gonna do half red, half green. No, all red. Doing all red over the entire thing. Then we're gonna top that with some mozzarella, not fresh grated.
Red, green, and white, you're going Christmas.
Yes, we are. I got some fresh mozzarella, small and large, gonna help with the symmetry of things. I've got some sliced tomato, I've got some sliced jalapenos, and I've got some fresh sliced pepperonis.
Jalapeno for heat? That's a fun trick.
Crushed red pepper could do, but honestly, it looked really good, and it goes with the red and the green kind of outfit that we're doing at the moment, the aesthetic of things. Dude, this looks freaking awesome. Spread those out, add as much as you like, then you've got dollops of green. You don't necessarily need to drizzle this all over it, kind of just put them in little spots, let them start to dance with the red sauce and hook up with the mozzarella.
I like the dollops because it's like a big pop of flavor.
Yeah, but the thing is with pesto that's like in the jar, it's got some oil in it, so it starts to release some of the oils and it starts to infuse with all the other flavors.
Oh, good.
Obviously, Tutto Italiano, we're gonna get pretty heavy with this. Enough of that, we are ready to start launching into my pizza oven that has been preheating behind me. Basically, I get it up to, we start kind of creeping to the orange, and that gets your top stone and the bottom stone hot enough. The rotating stone does all the romancing, my friends. Literally, you just sit back and wait for the pizza to be done. And then at the last 30 seconds, I like to crank up the turbo.
Nice.
Crank those turbos into high drive and you get that nice golden cheese melted on the top.
I'm excited about your finisher move.
Dude.
Your finisher move with the grated Parmesan.
Coming down on this little
pecorino.
plate. We got some grated pecorino. It's gonna add that salty flavor on the bottom of the crust.
Dude,
so it's like you seasoned your crust. And my friends, you're left with this majesty.
It is majestic, isn't it?
Quite majestic. Our crust is beautiful. Obviously, in the ideal scenario, you've got maybe the Blackstone pizza rocker, you got a pizza
maybe
cutter.
Your friend lost it.
And then maybe your buddy
maybe your friend
left
took it to a friend's
and forgot to bring it back.
Yeah, it happens.
Being super rude, but also considerate to the friend that got to keep it. Leaving me high and dry, using a knife, like a I don't know, like somebody who doesn't have a pizza cutter. But we're making it work, dude. We're making it work. Bro, I don't know about you. Have you ever had
how
like
generous you're being? You're cutting us all pieces. I thought you were honestly gonna cut one for yourself and then
just be done?
Yeah.
I'm not that kind of guy.
Are you?
I don't know. Dude, look at
You weren't kidding about the pesto. Look at that, dude.
Bro, that oil
Whoa.
starts moving around there. Let's look at crust integrity. That's like a term we've been using. Dude, and that ain't semolina on the bottom of that pizza crust, my friends. That's Parmesan, that's flavored. Dude, we got these air pockets here. Ooh, it's still hot, but we're gonna 100% do this.
Burn. A big old mozzarella.
Holy moly. The mix of both worlds. That's the way to do it, my friends. Using the pecorino on the bottom. Honestly, a pro move with the red and the green. That oil starts to distribute. Could not be any more simple. Cooked in 2 or 3 minutes.
Yeah, it's money, dude.
You know what? Add your own toppings. This was simple. I love tomato. Bing, bang, boom. On your way. My friends, it is that simple to have a pizza party with your Blackstone pizza oven.